Good morning students, welcome to Kana Kingdom. Today we start our chapter number 3, addition of Genie book. So our worksheet 1, page number 35, count and complete the table. So there's a picture, first we have to count and then write to complete the table. So how many drum in first row? 1. And how many in second row? 1 and 1. So we count 1 and 2. Now next 1, 2 and 3. So how many drum in first row? 1. So we write 1 in next blank. Now 1 and 1 means 1, 2. Which number just comes after 1? 2. So 1, 2. So we write here 2. Now in third row 1, 2. So which number just comes after 2? 3. So 1, 2 and 3. So we write here 3. So rest all the question of page number 35 and this also do in your Genie book. Okay. Now worksheet 2, page number 36. Count and write how many all together. How many all together means count all. In first picture 1, 2, 3. So how many snails here? 1, 2, 3. So we write here 3. After 3, 1, 2, 3, we write here 3. 3 is snails. Now 1, 2. How many more? 2. In last, how many all together? Dash snails in all. So 3 and 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many snails in all? 5. 1, 2, 3. So we write here 3. And how many more? And 2 more. 1, 2. So 3 and 2 more equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 and 2, 5 is nails in all. Okay, so page number 35 and 36, rest all the question do in your Genie book. Okay, and next worksheet 3, do yourself in your book. Now next worksheet is worksheet 4, page number 38, count and write how many altogether. So count 1, 2, 3. So count and write how many altogether. So how many in first picture? 1, 2, 3. So there is 3 and 1, 2, 3. How many gifts in first picture? 1, 2, 3. Now, and how many gifts in second? 1, 2, 3. So we write here 3 and 3. So 3 plus 3. How many gifts altogether? So So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many gifts in all? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 gifts in all. Now in second drawing, how many cats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many cats? So we write here 7. How many cats in second round? No cats means we write here 0. Now 7 plus 0 equals to how many cats altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when we add any number with 0, our answer is number itself. So 7 plus 0 equals to 7. When we add any number with 0, our answer is number itself. Okay? So 7 plus 0 equals to 7 cats in all. 7 cats plus 0. So 7 cats in all. In first question number A, 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 3. This is the sign of addition. This is the sign of addition. And this is the sign of equal. So 3 plus 3 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 gifts in all. Now in second, 7 plus 0. So 7 plus 0, 7 cats in all. Okay? Rest question number C and D solve in your Genie book. Now our next worksheet is worksheet 5, page number 39, add and match. So in your book, first you add the sum, solve the sum and match to the correct answer. Okay? I'll explain you how to add. First digit is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Second is 2, 1, 2. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2 equals to 6. In here I'll explain you how to add. In your Genie book, you just add and match to the correct answer. Okay? How many digits? 1, 2, 3. Count all. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 plus 3 equals to 4. Now our next question is 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Count all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2, 7. So match with 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Okay? 4 plus 2. First question in your book is 4 plus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2, 6. So match this from 4 plus 2 equals to 6 in second row. Now second question is 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 plus 3 equals to 4. Now next is 5 plus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Rest all the question do in your Genie book. Now, next worksheet is worksheet 7. Worksheet 6, do yourself in your Genie book, because worksheet 6 is just like worksheet 5. So, worksheet 6, do yourself. And next worksheet is worksheet 7, page number 41. Add the following. First question number A is add the following. So 1 plus 8 equals to 9. Now 4 plus 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3. 7. Next, 2 plus 1. So 1, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Now next is 4 plus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4, 8. 1 plus 8, 9. 4 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3, 7. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 4, 8. Now next question is fill the missing number. Fill the missing number. One has been done in your book. 4 plus 5 equals to 9. Next question is 1 plus dash equals to 7. So 1 and then blank. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count. Next number, counting forward with 1 till we get 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 plus 6 equals to 7. So 1 plus 6 equals to 7. Next is dash plus 2 equals to 8. So first we draw 2 lines. Then count forward from 2 till we get 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2, after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many lines after 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Means 6 plus 2 equals to 8. Rest all the questions of worksheet 7 do in your GD book. Now, after addition, we start up a new chapter, chapter 4, subtraction. In chapter 4, worksheet number 1, page number 42, count and write how many left. Count and write how many left. So, first we count how many balloons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons. In 5, take away 2 balloons. In 5, take away 2 balloons. So 1, 2. So we cross 2 balloons. Okay. Take away 2 balloons from 5. Now, after take away 2, how many balloons are left? So 1, 2, 3. 3 balloons left. Our question is count and write how many left. So first we count how many balloons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total number of balloons 5. 5 balloons. Take away 2 balloons. In 5 we take 2 balloons. So 1, 2. After crossing 2 balloons, cross out 2 balloons, how many are left? 1, 2, 3. So 3 balloons left. Now next worksheet is worksheet number 2. Page number 33. Cross out and write how many left. Cross out and write how many left. First we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total number of blocks is 7 blocks. Okay. In 7, take away 3. So in 7 we take away 3 means cross out 3 blocks. Okay. After take away 3 or cross out 3, how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. So rest all the question of worksheet 1 and 2 do in your GD book. Now after 1 and 2, our next worksheet is worksheet 3. Okay. So in worksheet 3, our question is subtract to find out how many are left. Subtract to find out how many are left. Now, how many butterflies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 butterflies are there. In 7 butterflies, 6 of them go shopping. Okay? 7 butterflies are there. In 7, 6 of them go shopping. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number of butterfly 7. In 7, 6 of them go shopping. So 7 minus 6. So we take away 6 from 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So 7 minus 6. How many are left? Only 1. So 7 minus 6 equals to 1. Okay? Our question is 7 butterflies are there. 6 of them go shopping. How many are left? So 7 minus 6 equals to 1. Okay? Rest all the question of worksheet 3 do in your Genie book. Now our next worksheet is worksheet 4, page number 45. First topic is subtract. So 9 minus 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many lines are there? 9. So we take away 7 from 9. So cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many are left? 1, 2. 9 minus 7 equals to 2. First we draw 9 lines, then cross out 7 or take away 7 from 9. Then 2 is our answer. Now next question is 5 minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we take away 4 from 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many left? 1. So 5 minus 4 equals to 1. Now next is 6 minus 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we take away 3 from 6. So how many left? 1, 2, 3. So 6 minus 3 equals to 3. 9 minus 7 equals to 2. 5 minus 4 equals to 1. We take away 4 from 5. So our answer is 1. Now next 6 minus 3. So take away 3 from 6 equals to 3. When we take away 3 from 6, we get 3. Okay. Now next question is fill in the missing numbers. So 8 minus dash equals to 5. So first we draw 8 lines or 8 strips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So how many we have to cross out to get 5? First we cross out only 1. Then count how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when we cross out 1 from 8, we get 7. So now we cross out 1 more. Now count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 1 more. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we get our answer, means 8 minus 3 equals to 5. When we take away 3 from 8, our answer is 5. So 8 minus 3 equals to 5. Now next is dash minus 4 equals to 4. So first we draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So first 4 plus 4, 5. So when we first we 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 4 equals to this number and this. We add these two numbers to get the answer. Means 4 plus 4, 8. Because when 8 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 minus 4 equals to 4. To get the missing number, we have to add this and this. And the second method is we draw a line till 10, then we check. Or easy method is you have to add this number and this number to get our missing number. Okay, so 4 plus 4 equals to 8. 8 minus 4 equals to 4. Okay. Now rest all the question of worksheet 4. Do yourself. Now, next worksheet is worksheet 5. Now, next worksheet is worksheet 5, page number 46, subtract and match. I'll explain here how to subtract and you have to match with correct answer. First question is 5 minus 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we take away 3 from 5. 1, 2, 3. So when we take 3 from 5, we get 1, 2. So match this with 5 minus 3 equals to 2. Okay. Now next is 8 minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we take away from 4 from 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we take away 4 from 8, our answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. So match this with 8 minus 4 equals to 4. Now next question is 7 minus 2. So take away 2 from 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So take away 2 from 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 7 minus 2 equals to 5. So match this with 7 minus 2 equals to 5. Rest all the questions of worksheet 5 do in your Genie book and complete all the worksheet at home. And thanks for watching this video. Bye.